All right, round two. Told me it's a low light, not a big deal. But anyway, take pictures. I bought the GoPro 10 to take pictures. Anything else? So here we go. You go look at some big dogs here. Out here on the 16th day. So it kind of comes out in the middle of summertime. It's perfect timing. In July. So here we go. We're gonna cruise in these big bad boys. These are the traveling houses here. Look at that big girl. This sucker's huge. They won 110 grand for this son of a bitch. It's a nice little grill. Whew. Freight, destination charges, battery, propane, full deep. Oh my goodness. Let's go, shall we? Oh my goodness. Whew. Look at this bad boy. Huh. What do you think, Sue Ellen? I'll show this video when I get home. Oh my goodness. Stairs, way to break her ankle. Got the head right here. King size, little big ass bed right here. This is one where you drop it. Try to make sure it's cheap. The leaks will come through up in here. Okay. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, 110. And if you're going to buy it, make sure you get it inspected. Tell people all the time. Go on YouTube. Liz Amazing, real good. And another guy I listened to before, another guy, but you get an inspection before you buy this stuff because that will leak.
Okay.
I'm just telling you.
Okay, so they make sure.
It's like you get a house, right? You inspect it, right?
Yep.
I'm telling you.
I never thought of that.
Yep. Before it leaves a lot, get an inspection because they leak, unfortunately. No problem. So this is like the, you know, to get. I hate to fearmonger, but that's the truth. You want it to. So, can I come out of here? This must be the. So you can. This is where you bring all your toy haulers and stuff. So. Not bad. So you probably have something up there like storage. So down the stairs we go, huh? So yeah, it's a big dog. It's one where you're let sit for like what, 6 months. So it includes freight destination, the whole 9 yards. All right. It's a nice little grill. I like it. You can roll omelets right here, burgers right here. Very nice. Love it. But that's a big dog. F250, 350. You're pulling it. So now we got some more toy haulers here. This bad boy. Oh my goodness. Nice little sink. Big ass bed.
So that would be his own little tiny space by himself.
Very nice. I like this. This is nice.
Yeah, my daughter is 15. She just turned 15, and she's the same like that. But
Get into here. There are 2 heads in here. One in the back. That's a lot of extra crap you don't need. Another, here. Sit here on the workbench. Watch my cowboys get embarrassed, So, yeah, man. There you go. A little crooked, but yeah, not bad. Whew. What's going down here?
We're not quite there yet because they're on the 10th.
right, yeah, you're right there.
Make sure you get that thing inspected, girl. This thing is worth $75,000. Let's see. Or this one over here. The bunkhouse, 26. My favorite will always be, see see this? Oh, we don't want. No, we don't want to be in here. Music's playing, so we gotta get out of here. So there we go, going here. This one is, let's just say 70 grand. All kinds of good stuff. Yeah, this is the one where you bring it someplace like Cortez, Arizona. You lay it down, like up my cabin up there, and you lay it down there and let it sit. Okay, that's all there is to it. With the Bolos cabin, excuse me. But yeah, make sure you get this bad boy inspected. A lot of working parts in here, a lot of leaks come through up in here, all this stuff. Spend the nickel. You'll save yourself the heartache. That's a nice little bash room. Oh yeah, nice. Yep, TV location right here. Hang out right there with your friends. Guess a little fire, a little fake fire there, probably heat. But yeah, oh yeah, hell yeah. What do you guys think, huh? Oh. Walk on down these stairs, I'll kill myself. You got storage underneath. You can put your bikes underneath there. Like I said, it's the fifth wheel right there. Lay it on the F-250. This one is 30 grand. Not bad. It's a basic one. Here's my favorite pop-ups right over there. I'll get back to those next when we get on the way down. Over here. Got the grills. This one is 35. Look at that. Should be like that. You can walk on the deck out there. Not bad. That shouldn't be loose like that. That should be solid. Sorry. I'm offending anybody, but all this stuff should be secured. I like it, but no excuse. Leaking up here. Lots of inspected. I'll say it again and again in every single video. That's kind of cool. It's a nice little grill. Little griddle. Oh, more storage area. You can put stuff underneath there. More bigger. Oh, look at the outside fridge. Nice. 151,000.
You don't need this one.
Oh my good. Okay.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Oh, this one's this is your drive. This is the land yacht they call these bad boys. Not a chance. These things will break on you. Get it? You can sleep up here. Big ass chairs. Because I'm going to the RV show here in 2 weeks, 26. I'll be on there too. We'll go on there, so that'll be fun. But yeah, it's all these little comfy chairs. The land yachts, I always have a problem with them. A lot of them in Indiana. Nice little bed right here. Very nice. Lots of room. Sit right down here. Oh, watch TV. Watch a little NFL. There you go, right there. Stock all your favorite beverage. Cook up a meal. Sit back here while people drive. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. There's nothing wrong. Don't worry about it. Go ahead, you guys. This is your land yacht here. Have fun. Oh, really? Oh, nice. Nice. Washer and dryer, that's nice. think there was music in here, I think. Got 40 grand. Yeah, you can hear music in here. That's a problem, so I don't want to go in there. Not copyright strike, you don't get all your, not that you get a lot of money on this, but you gotta share the profit, so. Not they can probably hear my voice rambling on here, so here's another one here. 37,000. All these girls, man, they're nice. So. I wonder if they have well, I've seen these before, the vintage cruisers. I think the Huss has one like this. I think. I don't know. Yeah, these are classic. Oh, it's kind of nice. Blue, if you like blue. If you're in the blue kind of behavior. Nice. Got the head here. A smaller bed. So, a lot of blue. This little area. It's a single puller, you know. Oh. Laura Ashley, let's see what they want. At 26, not bad. Yeah, but this is another one, the deck comes off onto it. So, they're down there, I need to go over there. That's what we did before, so. This one's 35K. Kind of, if you can come on here by yourself. I mean, well, this is like a family one, looks like. You can hang out in there. Got a refrigerator, all the good stuff. 35 again, your $400 a month payments. Again, these things should be lasting for any problem for 5 years. There's no excuse. Here's a nice head right here. Very nice. Nice workbench. And yeah, it's nice. Make sure it's not gonna leak on you. The roof, we all know that is. So, anyways, let's go on to the next one, shall we?